So recently, I have been busy for the most part. It's either I'm working on a big project, creating time for the gym, or just keeping up with my own chores to maintain a clean space. Now, as much as I try to keep everywhere clean, there is always those corners you just can't reach, or dirt that somehow gets left behind even after hours of cleaning. Not to mention having to reuse an already dirty mop or needing to recharge the vacuum cleaner every few minutes. And that's exactly why the DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone exists. Literally made to keep a large home free from dirt and leaving every corner spotless. Alright, so setting this up was actually very straightforward. The box includes the X11 DEEBOT itself, the DEEBOT X11 charging station which has a vacuum waste compartment, a clean water tank, a dirty water tank, and a storage unit for cleaning agents. Most of it is pre-built so there isn't much to do, and putting the pieces together was straightforward with the help of the user's manual. The setup process was also easy. All I had to do is install the ECOVACS app, create an account, and link the robot to my account using Wi-Fi. I actually got a guide through the process from Yiko, which is a built-in AI voice assistant. And the first thing the DEEBOT X11 did after the setup is map the entire house and even divide the space into sections like the living room and kitchen, as it recognizes placement of furniture and appliances. Alright guys, so it's been over 3 weeks and the DEEBOT has been actively cleaning the crib. It's been doing an amazing job. As if you guys could hear it right now, it's actually doing like a vacuum and cleaning and stuff like that. So I just wanted to show you guys some components. So we have the charging station right here. So with the charging station, you get like this cleaning agent spot right here. So you could put like a deep cleaning solution on this one, and you could put like a normal cleaning solution on this one. Now you could actually opt for the ECOVACS cleaning solution. So this is like the regular cleaning solution, and this is the deep cleaning solution. And thankfully they actually have these two containers separately that you could put in this charging station. So I'm just gonna fill it up right now, guys. Just fill it up, and then we're just gonna pour this on the bigger container. All right, so these are the two. Let's go put them in the charging station, and then it uses that to fill up the mop and stuff like that. Alright, so the DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone is equipped with a power boost technology, which means it uses ultra fast energy boost to enhance the cleaning experience for a non-stop cleaning freedom. It dynamically reserves power to prioritize full space completion, so in cases of routing mop cleaning interval, it restores 6% battery power in 3 minutes before going back to cleaning. This enables an uninterrupted cleaning even at max settings with a consistent performance in a large area. Now in my experience, the DEEBOT X11 cleans the crib for as long as 20 minutes with no interruptions, returns to the station to empty the vacuum or clean up the mop while it charges the robot for the main time, and then get back to work. This has been a consistent outcome throughout my cleaning log. It goes as far as cleaning 500 plus square feet in a short amount of time, which shows that it's capable of cleaning a large home in a short amount of time without having to charge the robot for long hours. The DEEBOT X11 has even managed to clean the entire crib with just 60% of battery left. Now you can choose different cleaning mode for a practical process, like the vacuum only, mop while vacuum, or mop after vacuum. I personally prefer the mop after vacuum, and let me just say, this thing does an amazing job to ensure maximum cleaning, leaving the entire house spotless and free from dirt. The mopping system of the DEEBOT X11 features a 3800 PA downward pressure, which is 16 times stronger than a traditional dual disc mop. So if you have got stubborn stains like coffee spill or ketchup on the floor, this thing can clean any form of dirt effortlessly. It uses water infusion to keep the mop fresh, ensuring hygienic cleaning. This means it's not reusing the dirty water during the cleaning process. It scrubs and rinses the floor up to 200 times per minute at 200 RPM of spin, leaving the floor free from dirty water trail and keeping it shiny. And it does all this while being gentle on the floor. The DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone now features a True Edge 3.0 cleaning technology, which basically guarantees wall-to-wall protection. So when doing a full house sweep, I don't have to worry about dirt being left in the corner or along baseboards. Its air cushion suspension has a 1.5 cm edge extension, letting it glide quietly along walls without bumping furnitures. The variable cushion system adapts in real time, so it adjusts automatically to edges and obstacles for consistent cleaning. With two soft rubber edge gliding wheels continuously hugging the wall and the fixed side brush sweeping debris into the path, this ensures full cleaning coverage of my space effortlessly. Now, given the fact that there are different floor textures, the DEEBOT X11 intelligently detects plain floor from the rug and uses a high suction power at 19,500 PA along with a strong airflow at 18 liters per second to pull out particles such as dust and hair that are embedded in the carpets. Now, this is something that we actually struggle with from other vacuum cleaners, but the suction power on this one is just crazy. It leaves the carpet free from all kinds of dirt regardless of the size. Whether it's a simple or heavy rug, this one is just built different. It also features an AI stain detection to tailor its cleaning strategy based on stain type. So for light stains, it just performs a quick remop and the job is done. But for tougher stains, it activates deep remop mode, executing 2 cross pattern passes whilst rinsing the mop with a powerful cleaning solution to eliminate stains and prevent cross contamination. One of the features of the DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone that stood out to me is its true pass adaptive 4-wheel climbing system. As the robot navigates through the house, it's able to cross over most thresholds. So whenever it detects an obstacle, it instantly deploys 2 auxiliary levering wheels with soft rubber teeth to boost climbing up to 2.4 cm height and even continues up to 4 cm height, so there is no need to worry about objects on the way or bridges between parts of your home. One of my favorite features about the DEEBOT X11 is the scheduled cleaning time. Right now it's doing like a full house clean, and honestly I was just chilling and it was like, it's the scheduled cleaning time. The voice assistant just speaked on his own and it just started cleaning. So every time I don't always have to go to the app and like turn it on. As you guys could see, let me reduce this right here. As you guys could see, it is currently cleaning the living room, and then after cleaning the living room, it's going to go to the dining room, and then after the dining room is going to go to the kitchen, which is a very cool feature. But let me deep dive back into the functionalities that makes this different from most vacuum cleaners. Alright, so when the robot is done with all its cleaning tasks and having the crib looking spotless, it returns back to the Omni station to charge while it empties the trash. With the use of power suction, it collects every single dust and dirt acquired during cleaning and stores it into a spacious 1.6 liter dust bin without the need of a dust bag. And then when it vacuums the entire room, it has this port right here where it vacuums out all the dirt, and as you guys could see, look, it's been cleaning. It takes out all the dust and everything, and this is actually very easy to maintain. You just have to press this. Oh shit. So let's see if empty it right now. I just spilled some on the floor, so you could just, you know, come right here, boom, easy, empty out the whole thing. All right, so you could actually just twist this out and take this, because sometimes it's stuck. So that way you could empty out the entire dirt that's inside. Close it, everything is good to go. Make sure you lock everything properly. And as you guys can see, the whole thing is empty. And then you could just, you just have to snap it back in. Boom. And right now I was actually trying to vacuum, clean the vacuum. So, and then I could just empty the bin.
About to start auto empty.
So yeah, this minimizes the maintenance required up to 48 days, which means you probably don't have to touch this thing for up to 2 months. Now, to have the DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone ready for another cleaning session, the Omni stations automatically washes the mop with 70 degrees hot water whilst rotating the mop to get rid of stubborn grims. It goes through an entire cleaning process by rinsing and draining the dirty water to keep the mop fresh and free from residues build-up, and you can see the result from the dirty water container. The mop should be ready for another day or a scheduled cleaning. Now, there are smart features that makes the DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone an easier personal cleaner to use. For example, we have AGENTYIKO, which is basically an AI voice assistant that you could just command to perform certain tasks for you. So I'm just going to demonstrate it right now. Okay, Yiko.
I'm here.
Please clean the kitchen.
Okay, I'm going.
You guys hear that? So it's basically just going to clean the kitchen from there on out.
Drying. Ventilation cooling will be run for about 90 seconds to keep the mop soft, and then the roller mop will be cleaned automatically.
I'm not sure if you guys could hear that. So basically it's currently cleaning the roller mop right now. It is cleaning the roller mop, and it says it's going to take about 90 seconds for it to clean, and then it's going to go ahead and clean the kitchen for me. So that's one. And if you were to buy the DEEBOT X11, it's going to help you with setting everything up and giving you all the instructions to follow, just to make the whole process easier for you. It was actually shocking. It's just like having Siri or Google Voice, but this one is specifically just made for your robot vacuum cleaner, and it works flawlessly. The next smart features that actually blew my mind is the 3D vision. So if you guys have noticed throughout the video, it detects certain spots of the house, obstacles like the table, the desk, the staircase, and maybe you randomly just put something in between the road. It uses the 3D vision to look around its surroundings and make sure it's not hitting any of your obstacles. Even something as little as your shoes or your slippers that you just kick around the house, it makes it easier to navigate around those things. And funny enough, that was actually what it uses to map the entire household before you start to use the device itself. And lastly, another cool feature is the built-in camera. So this camera can be used in situations when maybe you have like a pet or a kid in the house and you just want to survey around the entire house. So it has like a patrol feature. It basically just looks around the house for you. Say for example you're at work or you're outside in the gym. The other day I was in the crib and my friend was out, and he basically just called me from the DEEBOT telling me, yo, what's up, how you doing? You know, you could check up on things that you have or beyond your control, or you can be at that place at that particular time. It acts as a vision for you. And the crazy part is you could actually control it from your phone by navigating around the entire crib just with the camera. That's crazy for me, I'm not going to lie. And yeah, you could also use it to call your loved ones at home, like if you have kids that you left at home and you went to get groceries or something like that. It's just like a personal monitor, and I think that's a very sick feature. So yeah, the DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone is been an amazing personal cleaner for me in the crib. It's been doing an amazing job with cleaning everything. It has some unique features that makes it stand out from other robot vacuum cleaners. It features some of the best cleaning process, goes into deep cleaning in every single part of your house. So if you have like spills like coffee that has been laying on the ground for days, or ketchup, or something that's very, very sticky and hard to get away, the DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone does not back down from any of those kind of dirt. So yeah, it's been an amazing home appliance for me and in the crib. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description down below so you guys could check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.